liquidity to push the price up. At the moment, it looks like there's a lot of interest to push the price up. My early warning system is Slerf. I've been telling people about my early warning system. And naturally, yesterday, we had a little breakout on Slerf. You see that? Last night, little breakout. I'm in a long. I took the long from last night. I took profits, and then I took the long again when I saw what was happening. So this is my early warning system. I see that Slerf is quite bullish. Yeah, nice little breakout. It looks like a head and shoulders, an inverse head and shoulders here. It's a nice breakout. Getting a little bit of pullback now. I haven't taken profit because I'm in a really good position. I can see what's happening. I'm looking for slightly higher to take profit, but obviously I'm not going to take a loss. So if my stop loss is slightly higher than my position, just in case you know the world comes to an end. But actually I'm looking for slightly higher targets for taking profits on this one, on this move now, because I think it's quite a strong move. But this is my early warning system. We are getting a little bit pullback now. That's partly because of Bitcoin, partly because people are taking profit. But to be honest with you, it just looks like we're kind of just trying to find some kind of range before Bitcoin moves up, and then this takes another attack at higher prices. So because I've been using Slerf to guide me a little bit on the bullishness of Bitcoin, I'm feeling very confident about Bitcoin moving up. If suddenly Slerf does decide to invalidate this bullish idea, that would be my first kind of major warning sign on Bitcoin. Yeah, so we have a little bit of a neckline here. I don't really care about the neckline so much. I care about this last high, the recent high here that it broke out from. So if that was to happen, that would be perfectly acceptable, a back test to the neckline. This would be my first. If I saw this coming down here and finding resistance like that, I'd be very concerned. Yeah, I'd be very concerned, because it means that Slerf has now suddenly become bearish, and that I think that would also mean that Bitcoin is now looking to go much lower. Yeah, so I'm looking at this very carefully. At the moment, I don't see any of this happening. I just see a little bit of a consolidation, a kind of a wide consolidation range up here somewhere. Bit of taking profit. So that's my early warning system, Slerf. For people who are interested, I have my target for Slerf is this 50% fib level, which is just above the VWAP. You'd expect a little bit, another bullish impulse to get there. I don't see why it doesn't do that, actually. I don't see why we don't get to the 50% level. That's going to be, I'm going to hedge there. I've got a limit short, which is going to hedge my long. I've just set an order there, and you can see that these higher time frame fibs are reacting. So I don't see why that doesn't react. That's not a fib level. It's a 50% of this this range, but it's also coming into the Bybit VWAP, the anchored VWAP from the beginning. So it's going to be quite a strong resistance level at about 55.47. Yeah, so it'd be a good place to just take profit and to hedge if people are looking to hedge. I don't necessarily think the price is not going to react. So if we do get another push up, it's not far away. It's not very far away. Little push up, then we'll get a nice. That's why I'm expecting another rejection there. Because that's a major resistance level. Why would it not reject? People will take their profits, and then I think you'll get. I think this will coincide with Bitcoin pushing up, and then you're going to get a little bit of rotation of capital. So I see a lot of altcoins getting ready to move. Yeah,